Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Sheba Renee, and today I'm going to do another DIY deep conditioning treatment, and I'm going to also do the LCO wash and go. So let's jump right on into it. So the star of the show today is, of course, avocado. I love me some avocado, not only just to slice up and eat, but to put in my hair. And I'm mixing it with honey today. Avocado is good to protect the hair. It gives the hair a nice shine. It has vitamin E and vitamin B. It also is filled with rich proteins and is very nourishing to the hair. After an avocado deep conditioning, my hair always feels extra strengthened and it just has a beautiful clump to the curl. So this is the texture that I ended up with, nice and smooth, and I love that. So I'm going to add my previous deep conditioner treatment. Hint, hint, you might want to check that out because combining the two gives it an extra zing and extra moisture, and you just can't beat that with a bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to get ready to apply this and whip this up in my hair. Tap that subscribe button. I try to upload for you guys weekly. I hope you enjoy, and I will be back for the final results at the end. Okay, you guys, and these are the final results of my LCO wash and go. And yes, I am loving it, okay? I like this combination. The Camille Rose has definitely did her thing. The Camille Rose twisting butter with the moisture, I can feel it all up and through here, okay? Now, I do have a little bit of flaking that's going on. I don't know if that was because of the chai hair gel, but I am loving the gel also. It has a nice strong hold. It's giving my hair shine, flexibility, and overall I am just in love with this wash and go. I have to tweak that flaking, but other than that, she is good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, you guys. Don't forget to share this video and drop some comments below, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, and thanks again for watching.